I made the mask by taking the mask from the square, folding both ends into the middle, flip it, do the same thing. Then you flip it over again. You put the rubber bands on both sides. You flip that in. You tuck one under, and you have the mask.
Can you do it right here?
Yep.
For a show.
So you're gonna fold one end up, the end up. You're gonna flip it. Fold it up as well, but it has to be in the middle. And then you're gonna flip it again. And then you're gonna put the rubber bands.
I like that you're using a prep bandana. Because using it as a mask is also sort of like prep, right? Preventing exposure from something.
Then we fold it in. You want to stretch that. You want to fold that in again. You want to stretch that. And you want to tuck whichever one's messier into the meter. I'm going to put this part.
Bam! And it's as easy as that.
Yeah,
that's amazing.
That's why it's recommended to have rubber bands.
Ah.
So a couple.
Thank you.